Welcome to Bearizona. Beyond these gates lies a living window into the untamed spirit of North America. A solitary black bear patrols the pond's edge, its heavy coat glistening under the Arizona sun. Every movement purposeful, every scent on the wind, a story waiting to be told. Nearby, two young bears turn a quiet afternoon into a spirited match. Wrestling in the cool water, they test their strength and instinct, ancient rituals of play that prepare them for survival. What looks like fun is actually training. They learn when to push, when to back off, and how to read the body language of another bear. These small contests shape them into the powerful adults they'll one day become. Their splashes echo through the pines, a reminder that even in nature, joy still finds a place. Not far away, another black bear finds a moment of pure satisfaction. The perfect tree, the perfect scratch. Even the forest seems to share in the bear's quiet relief. The road winds through a ghostly echo of the Old West, leading toward the land of the wolf. Here, among the wooden facades and shade, dwell the Arctic wolves, their pale coats a haunting reminder of frozen tundras far to the north. They are silent, watchful, and bound by unbreakable loyalty. Every glance and gesture is a signal understood only within the pack. Further on, the heat of the day drives the timber wolves to the water. In the shallows, they drink and cool their coats. Even in rest, the pack remains alert. Each ear flick and glance keeps them connected. A silent understanding built through a lifetime of survival. The forest opens into sacred ground, the domain of the white buffalo. To many native cultures, they symbolize hope and renewal, living emblems of the harmony between earth and sky. Once nearly lost, these animals stand as proof that protection and respect can restore what was almost gone. Their renewed presence is a reminder of resilience, a connection between people and nature. In the golden light, their pale coats carry the past with them, powerful, enduring, and sacred. Inside the walking area, a clever fox darts and weaves through their habitat while others sleep. In a nearby water habitat, river otters swim and play on the rocks. They are perfectly suited to their element. Every dive becomes a dance, and every ripple feels like a laugh shared between them. In another pen, a badger scurries with boundless energy, fearless and focused. Known for its strength and determination, the badger is both a skilled digger of tunnels and a fierce guardian of its domain. In an area nearby, a bull elk rests beneath the shade of a steep rock ledge. Around him, the females lie close, their movements slow and deliberate, conserving energy in the afternoon heat. The bull's antlers rise like living crowns, marking him as the quiet leader of the herd. And finally, in the cool hush of their den, three mighty grizzlies sleep, the ancient kings of the forest at peace. Here at Bearizona, the wild continues to endure.